There's something humbling, almost terrifying about looking into the night sky. Billions of points of light, swirling nebulae, galaxies stretching further than our minds can comprehend. Silent and seemingly boundless, the question emerges: what exactly is space? As a kid, I didn't think much about space. It wasn't until my high school years, after choosing Darwin's On the Origin of Species for a science project, that my curiosity for the natural world truly blossomed. Soon after, I stumbled upon Carl Sagan's The Demon-Hunted World, which was an invitational call for critical thinking and scientific skepticism, revealing the universe as a place where truth is sought through evidence instead of faith. It was then, with my mind full of wonder, that I encountered Sagan's magnum opus, Cosmos. In its pages, space transformed into a distant nothingness into a vibrant design of galaxies, nebula, and newborn stars. Sagan's vivid descriptions and infectious enthusiasm painted a picture of a universe teeming with possibility. It was through his words that I finally embraced the immensity of space. For me, it was no longer an empty void, but a story waiting to be unraveled. With a million questions echoing in our minds, what exactly is this vastness beyond our planet? What's it made of? Where does it even begin? And is it truly just black emptiness? In this video, we'll embark on a quest to answer some of these mysteries. Thanks for watching. Astronomers define space as the vast region beyond Earth's atmosphere. For them, space begins around 100 kilometers, where Earth's air becomes so thin that it can no longer support aircraft, a boundary known as the Kármán line. A physicist may define space as a near vacuum, nearly empty of matter. It's not a complete void though. Particles, mostly hydrogen and helium, moves through this vast expanse, but even in this emptiness, there are unseen forces like gravity and dark energy which play a crucial role in shaping the movements of astronomical bodies. For physicists, space is a canvas painted with invisible forces, a testament to the elegance of fundamental laws. Philosophers may define space as a mirror reflecting the depths of our existence, its vastness prompting us to grapple with big questions like, where do we come from, and are we alone? My definition of space is defined as an infinite entity which houses inconceivable dimensions. It's the essence of mystery that has always been and will always be. Ultimately, there's no single clear-cut definition of space. It's a concept that takes on different meanings depending on who you ask and how you choose to explore it. It's a realm of scientific investigation, a source of artistic inspiration, and a stimulus for philosophical contemplation. Perhaps defining space isn't about finding a singular truth, but about accepting the wonder that lies in the journey of the exploration itself. Imagine for a moment that you're standing on the edge of space. It's not a physical edge like a cliff or a wall, but you sense a boundary nonetheless below you. The Earth curves away, a vibrant blue dot, against the velvety blackness above you. The cosmos stretches out, endlessly dotted with stars and galaxies that shimmer like distant fireflies. Now take a step forward. What happens? Do you plunge into an abyss of nothingness? Do you float off into an infinite vacuum? Or does that very concept of edge dissolve as you realize that space isn't something you can stand outside of, but rather something you're inherently immersed within? This thought experiment challenges our earthly notions of boundaries and borders. It invites us to contemplate the possibility that space isn't a place with a clear beginning or end, but rather a boundless fabric woven into the very fabric of existence. We can imagine space as a cosmic ocean, not of water, but of darkness. Oceans like space stretch beyond the horizon. Both hold mysteries locked within their dark depths, from unknown creatures in the ocean to the hidden black holes in space. Galaxies spin like giant whirlpools in the night sea. Our sun, like a lighthouse, marking our island, the solar system. Each planet, a unique island, has its own story written in the cosmic storms and stardust. I think to truly grasp the location of space, we need to let go of our need for edges and instead brace the limitless expanse that surrounds us, even as we stand here on our pale blue planet. Contrary to popular belief, space isn't an empty void. While it lacks the familiar air and solid matter we experience on Earth, it's not completely barren. Instead, imagine it as an incredibly scattered ecosystem filled with a unique mix of particles and energy. The most prevalent form of matter in this vast expanse is plasma. This isn't like the solid, liquid, or gas we know. Picture the intense heat of a star ripping electrons from atoms, leaving behind a soup of charged particles. That's plasma. It's the superheated gas that fuels distant nebulae, those colorful clouds that paint the cosmos with their eerie glow. Interstellar dust, similar to microscopic cosmic dandruff, drifts in vast, wispy clouds across the void. These tiny particles, along with wispy interstellar gas, are the raw materials for the universe's grand construction projects. Nebulae, with their swirling tendrils and ethereal hues, act as a celestial nursery. Under the influence of gravity, these interstellar bits condense and unite, giving birth to stars and planets. However, space isn't entirely static. High-energy particles called cosmic rays, remnants of supernova, and other energetic events zoom through the void like invisible bullets. These cosmic wanderers pose potential threats to astronauts and spacecraft, reminding us that even the seemingly empty expanse is a dynamic environment with its own unique characteristics. Space, while vastly different from Earth, is far from empty. It's a unique realm composed of superheated plasma, interstellar dust, and energetic particles. This composition plays a crucial role in the formation of celestial objects and is a testament to the incredible complexity of the universe. Is space black? Contrary to popular perception, space is not inherently black. This misconception arises from the vast distances and sparsity of matter within the cosmos. Imagine peering into a deep ocean. The lack of nearby objects to reflect lights results in a seemingly black abyss, despite the presence of sunlight above. Similarly, the immense expanse of space, with its widely scattered stars and planets, creates the illusion of darkness. However, this perceived darkness does not reflect the true nature of space. Starlight, the radiant energy emitted by stars, interacts with interstellar dust and gas, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors invisible to our naked eyes. These tiny particles act like celestial prisms, refracting and dispersing different wavelengths of light, just like a prism splits sunlight into a rainbow. The result? Breathtaking celestial objects like nebula, which simmer with otherworldly hues of pink, purple, and blue, showcasing the hidden palette of the cosmos. Our planet Earth also plays a role in shaping the colors we perceive. Sunlight reaching our atmosphere undergoes a process called scattering, where shorter wavelengths of light, primarily blue, are preferentially scattered throughout the sky. This creates the familiar azure hue of our daytime sky, a phenomenon distinct from the inherent color of space itself. Therefore, it's crucial to recognize that the darkness of space is a consequence of our limited human vision, not an inherent property of the void. Our eyes are only sensitive to a narrow range of the electromagnetic spectrum, akin to only hearing a portion of a musical piece. Telescopes and other scientific instruments, however, act as cosmic translators, expanding our perception beyond these limitations. They unveil the invisible symphony of colors swirling throughout the universe, revealing a reality far more dazzling and diverse than our unaided eyes can perceive. The perceived darkness of space is not an accurate representation of its true nature. Starlight and interstellar matter paint a vibrant cosmic canvas, while Earth's atmosphere creates its own unique color tapestry. Recognizing our limitations and perceiving this hidden spectrum only fuels our curiosity and inspires continued exploration of the universe's breathtaking and unseen beauty. As this journey ends, let's savor the remarkable truth about space. We began by shattering the misconception of it as a lifeless void, unveiling its vibrant power instead. It's not simply an absence, but a teeming entity woven from a unique blend of particles and energy, a testament to the universe's boundless creativity. As we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, let us remember that the greatest adventures lie not in finding answers, but in asking the next question, ever peering deeper into the cosmic abyss, hearts filled with wonder and minds fueled by the insatiable hunger for knowledge. So, what is space? If this video has provided value or has helped get you closer to the answers you seek, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Until next time, the Zoo Factor.